Okay, y'all? With my Bushcraft kit, and of course my stupid tablet will be falling. Because why wouldn't it? Anyway, look, I can do this. Anyway, I decided to switch the bags to the Wise backpack I had. Uh, I believe this one, I believe you can actually pull the little thing right here for signaling. So, and plus this had way more room, and I think more sturdier and better looking. I have all the same stuff, except I added a few of these Ziploc bags in here, because I had room. And, because I figure I'm going to need to water collect, so yeah. And on the side, I have my main kit, first aid kit. Right here, I have my little cup, which I have on there just because. And it has one of these things right here to, pretty cool. So yeah, way more room, way more pockets, and yeah, still light, have my back and all that. So anyway, hope y'all like this one, I think I have all the stuff in here. Yeah, I have pretty much every pocket on here full, or have stuff in it, bottom, blah, blah, except for this one right here. Yeah. I just have this on here for no reason, I guess. Anyway, it looks way better than my other one. Because honestly, it's like, well, yes, this is not very sturdy, by the way. But this is pretty sturdy. I can put whatever I need. Right? So yeah. I like it. I like it more. And plus, this is more my speed. Camo. Yes, it's the Matrix camo, pretty much. I believe every soldier hated this thing right here. Or hated the camo, whatever. So yeah. Anyway, I had to switch the bags, so yeah. Anyway, y'all. Peace.